Hi folks, welcome back to another episode of Investment Income for Life. For long-time loyal unit holders of United Hampshire SREIT since IPO and for investors who had accumulated additional units when its price hovered around 40 United States cents per unit in June 2024 during the high financing cost period, United Hampshire just announced the good news of an impressive 12.1% increase in its distribution for financial year ending the 31st of December 2025. I am breaking down today's discussion into 4 different sections. Section 1. Revised distribution yield from increase in distribution. For United Hampshire, second half 2025 net property income increased 2.3%. This growth was supported by the commencement of new leases, rental escalation from existing leases, contribution from the newly acquired Dover marketplace and lower interest rates as well as borrowings. It resulted in a 12.1% overall increase in distribution per unit relative to the second half of 2024. At 2.30 cents per unit, this is an annualized distribution yield of 0.046 United States dollars per unit. As per the announcement date of the 20th of February 2026, the market traded price was 0.560 United States dollars per unit. This implied an annual distribution yield of 8.2% per annum. This is an extremely attractive distribution yield in the SREIT universe given its consistent more than 95% occupancy rate for grocery-related retail business since IPO. Section 2. Substantial discount to net asset value per unit of 73 United States cents per unit. As at the 31st of December 2025, the net asset value per unit of United Hampshire REIT stood at 0.730 United States dollars per unit. Based on its current market price during announcement date, its market price was 0.560 United States dollars per unit. This is a 30% upside at current market price. Section 3. Key dates to watch out for existing unit holders. Unit holders, please take note of the following key dates. Firstly, ex-dividend date will be on the 27th of February 2026, Friday, while distribution payment date will only be on the 30th of March 2026, Monday. Section 4. Parting thoughts. To give some additional background context, United Hampshire Real Estate Investment Trust was listed on SGX on the 12th of March 2020. The IPO subscription price then was 80 United States cents per unit. On its first day trading date, REIT debuted at 72 United States cents, 1 Singapore dollar and 2 cents, which was 10% lower than its IPO price due to market volatility at that time. It is unfortunate that the debut was soured by the COVID crisis with financial results battered by the post-COVID high inflationary environment that leads to escalating financing cost as well as 10% decline in strength of USD over this dark period. Nevertheless, the distribution from United Hampshire has recovered strongly over the past year. It fared the best in terms of SREIT with commercial properties in the US. While Manulife USREIT, Prime USREIT and Keppel Pacific Oak USREIT have suspended all or part of their dividend distributions, REIT continued to pay out distributions consistently. Okay, that's all for today folks. Have a great week ahead.